Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix VEED login problems, rendering and account errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with VEED, you're not alone. Let's tackle this issue step by step. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. A weak connection can lead to login errors. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated stored data. After that, try using a different browser. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can affect login. You can also attempt to log in using an incognito or private browsing window. This mode disables extensions that might interfere with the login process. If you're still having problems, double-check your login credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Check your email for the reset link and follow the instructions. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. Using an outdated browser can cause compatibility issues. If you continue to face problems, disable any VPN or proxy services. These can sometimes block access to VEED servers. If the issue persists, verify that VEED services are operational. You can check their official status page or social media for updates. If everything seems fine but you're still locked out, contact VEED's support team. Provide them with a detailed description of your issue for quicker assistance. Lastly, consider temporary account lockouts after multiple failed login attempts. Wait a few minutes before trying again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your VEED login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.